Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, SUI, pushed higher. Yesterday in the video, we looked at it and we said, okay, this actually looks like a nice ABC structure now in this internal fourth wave. So we're looking for higher as long as micro support holds, right? That's the thesis. Overall, this is only classed as sideways consolidation. I mean, someone sent me a message, said SUI has reached a new all-time high, and I was like, what? But looking at it, I mean, I don't think it's classed as new all-time high, given that, you know, SUI already was up here around 415, right? That was at least here on Binance. Yes, it's the startup candle. Still, though, can't say this is an all-time high. It, however, of course, is a new local high, and it's pushing in the direction that we want, okay, which is, that's why I'm giving you support levels, because the price ideally reacts to these. Well, they can break, and then obviously we have the next support area to watch. But for now, we're following the white scenario, and it seems like this white wave count is leading still, as long as we are holding above $2.06 anyway. That's been the narrative, yeah, the communication. So this is a micro support for an internal fourth wave, and measured based on the length of that rally that started down here early in November. We typically take the 50% retracement as key level, and that's at $2.06. So as long as that's holding, the overall focus can be on higher in the short term. We have a reaction to that 23.6 FIB level. Normally, we say the ideal target for a fourth wave internally is the 38.2 retracement. Here we would talk about $2.13, but it's already, I would say, you know, considering the wave 2 down here, that wave 4 is definitely healthy enough to be considered complete. But I cannot rule out it. I mean, we haven't really broken out to the upside, right? So this is still a sideways range, and we could still test it. So the support remains relevant for now. But once we reach the next upside Fibonacci targets between 253 and 263 for wave 5 of 3 there, yeah, these are the next two. By the way, I will take out the 100%. Don't need that. But as I said in the last video, these are the next two here, 253, the 123.6 extension, and 263, the 138% extension. Once these are reached, I will add support for the fourth wave, even though I would prefer it goes to 263 or higher, yeah, the third. And then we can watch for a fifth wave. And then we just have to see the 5-wave move, yeah. Then I will add the next support. Whatever the structure says it will likely be, I will add the next support area. For now, climbing up the stairs, going well. We talked about this area here. There was a support area here. I removed them when they're not relevant anymore. But you see the two that are on the chart right now, they are still relevant because the price could still be in the internal fourth wave. We don't know that yet. Yes, there's been a noticeable reaction, but it's too small to really confirm the start of wave 5. I think we can watch for it. You know, it would be my assumption now, but cannot rule out another test of support. And then below $2.06, it's likely the yellow count where we could go lower. And in that case, the 132 to 152 area is going to be relevant. But please note that below 132, the overall bullish thesis will be really challenged. But we're far away from that, and that's currently not expected until we fill in a few more waves to the upside. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.